how to fix SuperBox buffering issues. So I'm going to show you a few different fixes. For the first one, you want to restart everything. Power off SuperBox. Unplug your modem or router. You will then wait 30 seconds and you want to plug them back in and turn everything on. For the second fix, you want to check your internet speed. Make sure your internet speed is at least 20 megabits per second. Use an app like Speed Test on your phone to check your connection. If it's slow, you want to call your internet service provider. Use a wired connection. Connect your SuperBox via an Ethernet cable instead of Wi-Fi. This is a cable that is physical. More stable equals less buffering. Change streaming servers. In your SuperBox app, you want to go to server/settings and you want to switch to a different or closer server. Sometimes one server is overloaded. Clear the cache. You want to go to settings, then apps, then streaming app, and you want to clear the cache. This helps get rid of old stuck data. Update firmware and apps. You want to check for any system or app updates. Outdated software can cause lag. Turn off other devices. If too many people are streaming at once, you want to turn off some or disconnect some unused devices. Avoid peak hours. Try streaming at non-peak times, late night or early morning. Less traffic equals smoother playback. Lower the video quality. You want to set the video quality to 720p or auto. 4K uses more bandwidth and may buffer more. If you're using a VPN, you want to disable it. Some VPNs slow things down or block servers. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.